All right, let's have a bit of a look at an unboxing. Something I picked up on the interwebs the other day. I've been wanting a pair of these for a long time, but in Australia they were circa $300. I was like, no, I don't need them that bad. And now they've come down in price dramatically. So this is the Sennheiser Ambeo Smart Headset. So what these are a set of earphones with built-in microphones in each ear for the purpose of making live recordings in what they're calling 3D audio. So that will be interesting to test this out. Of course, there's plenty of videos already online showcasing these, but I thought now that they're no longer $300, which is what they were, they are now more like $130 when I bought them, and annoyingly, I've actually seen them online on eBay or what's the other joint? Amazon or something like that for $100. So you can pick them up for about $100 Australian now. But I guess these guys had free shipping, so that's good. Tried to buy them locally, but there was no luck in that. So we'll start with the box. Unfortunately, it got a little bit deformed in transit or something, but I don't think it'll have any effect on what's inside. Little magnet here holds it together. So we'll just open that up. You can see they're pretty nicely packaged in there. Bought myself a Stanley knife with this to be able to open it. Didn't really want to wreck the box doing it, but maybe at the bottom here. This makes for captivating television. There we go, I can open it at the bottom, I think, without wrecking it. More or less. All right, so let's take them out here and see what we've got. So they're packaged up in some foam. So soft foam to protect them. One can only hope that they are new and not factory refurb, but never mentioned that in the ad online. A couple of accessories there. That looks like the instructions. Safety instructions, probably says don't play them too loud. Little case for them. Oh, wreck that. Oh, yeah, little satiny type case for them to sit in. Drawstring on it. Cool. All right, that's the boring stuff out of the way. Let's have a look at the headphones themselves. So you'll see that it has an iOS Lightning connector on it. These are only for Apple devices with a Lightning connector. I think you can get a Lightning to USB-C adapter, so if you've got a USB-C device, you could plug them into that. But for me, Lightning is good. Take them out of here. They've got this controller on here as well. You can see that. Got some buttons on it. Maybe that's on off, don't know. Presumably that needs to be recharged, or is it? Well, it probably takes charge from the device itself. That looks like volume, some sort of selector in the middle. The buttons have a nice decisive click to them. It's not loud, but you know you've clicked them. That's nice. And then we'll get the headphones out of the thing themselves. Get rid of that box. There we go. And they already come with some ear tips on them, which then makes me worry that maybe they've been used by someone else. Perhaps not. Now they're an over-the-ear type loop, so hopefully they're nice and secure. They feel good enough quality. There's that's all nice and rubber, so hopefully it doesn't slip around too much. All this bit here is all rubbery. There's also an inline microphone. I don't think these are going to be your everyday headphones, that's for sure. But they should come with some ear tips as well. But they seem to be... Oh, there they are. So they come with a set of ear tips on them. And then there's a larger set and a smaller set in this little bag. History would suggest for me that just the standard middle of the road will do. So I'm going to pop them on now and see if they're comfortable. Try not to knock the microphone in the process. There we go. left one first, over the back. And then the right one, they actually don't look like they sit very well on my head. Maybe with a bit of practice they'll improve their fit. The left one definitely doesn't. Look at that. Doesn't really sit well across my ear at all. No, they sit over the top rather than flush with my head. I thought they would sit more like that, but it might be just a bit of adjusting and getting them in the right spot. Again, more captivating video right here, trying to get that to stay in my stupid head. All right, well that will do. They're in. This cable's thicker than most headphone cables, so hopefully the longevity on this will be good. It's quite a thick cable, so hopefully it won't break easily. And yeah, well that's them out of the box. I will of course do a bit of a test on them to see how well they work going forward, to make sure they sound good. I believe they've got active noise cancelling built into them as well. That'll be in the instructions. Yeah, they've got active noise cancelling built into them, and we just need to see how that works, because I normally use Apple AirPod Pros, and I find the AirPod Pros to be pretty good for their noise cancelling. Excellent in the office actually. So we should just see how these hold up from that perspective. Anyhow, that's the unboxing of the Sennheiser Ambeo Smart Headset.